Did you know a convicted murderer walked free the same morning Jesus was crucified? And it was never supposed to happen that way. His name was Barabbas, a rebel, a killer, already sentenced to die on a Roman cross. His fate was sealed. But then Pilate offered the crowd a choice. Roman custom allowed one prisoner to be released during Passover. The crowd could pick Barabbas or Jesus. They chose Barabbas. A guilty man walked out of chains while an innocent man walked toward his death. Barabbas never earned that freedom. He never deserved it. Someone else paid the price he owed. That is the definition of grace. And here is what hits different about this story. Barabbas had a choice after that moment. He could go right back to who he was, or he could live like someone who understood what just happened to him. Someone took his place. You have probably received grace you did not earn too. A second chance, an open door, someone who paid a cost you never saw. The question is the same. What are you doing with it?